Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. Tonight we're having zucchini and stuffed frittata with Parmesan. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Sauteing some onions. Then I add the garlic and saute for about 30 seconds. I add the red bell pepper and the zucchini. Here's the veggies all ready to go. I have added the eggs and into the oven for about 15 minutes. Here's the frittata all dressed up right out of the oven. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.